Nice little waterfall here for you people. Dragonflies, kingfishers, no salmon though. Thought I'd take you on this little adventure with me. It's actually quite deep this, you know. Listen at that. I'm always out and about on a mission, you know me. I just wish I could take you guys with me. Well, I am taking you with me in theory. So let me share this. That'd be awesome to swim in that. What a beautiful, beautiful place. I'm in between Ashbourne and Colwich. I'm on my way back home. Looking for nature, looking for truth nuggets. Wild man guys out and about. Have a good one, guys.